Check out ShortStack's latest release of your campaign's analytics. To get there, look for the analytics icon here in the Campaign Manager or from within the builder. Welcome to the new Analytics dashboard. Before you dive in, take a look at the filters on the left. Here, you'll see which of your campaign's analytics are currently being displayed. You can also edit the date range. The default selection will display data from the last 7 days. Now, take a look at a snapshot of your campaign's analytics here in the overview. Visitors refers to unique visits to your campaign. Sessions, on the other hand, refers to the number of page views your campaign has received. Entries, clicks, conversions, and shares, both incoming and outgoing, can also be seen here. Get a detailed report of sessions, entries, and unique visitors by date down here. Under the Entries tab, see total and unique entries, along with conversion rates and device usage with overviews of mobile versus desktop and time to submit behavior. In other words, you'll know not only how many people are participating, but how they're engaging. Under Traffic, drill down on the source of your campaign traffic by domain. You'll also get a quick breakdown of sessions, visitors, entrants, and conversions. Sharing is one of the most powerful ways to expand your reach, and this dashboard lets you track it all. See how many people are sharing your campaign, how many of those shares are unique, and which platforms are driving the most buzz. Understand visitor behavior by digging into engagement patterns through votes, clicks, video views, and even actions that earn users points. These insights show you exactly what motivates your audience, so you can design campaigns that maximize interaction and participation. To export your data, click the Actions drop-down, then click here.